22nd February 2020. Hello folks, I'm back at the famous flood-causing culverts of Kampung Tanaki, Penampang. After 2 days of very hot sun, the water flow from this rivulet is down to a trickle and clear, coming from some catchment upstream there, and it's a village and paddy fields and everything. Okay, now you can see the last flood level by the mark, you see the earth flood marks there. That's the level that flooded the village, and now there's no water, and I still cannot see where is the mouth of that culvert. So this culvert must be a very small one, which we call in Kadazan as Luak Tonggiluang, or Orifice in English is either Luak Tonggiluang or Luak Toto in the local language. Okay, take a note of that. And somewhere around here you can see that whining sound. I think it's somebody's pipeline with a leak, and it's making, can you hear that? It's making a whining sound somewhere there. That is a sound of some leaking pipe, I don't know who, and it was affected when the excavator tried to clear the entrance that was blocking the culvert. It took like one afternoon for the flood to subside through a small orifice. And how they're gonna replace this culvert, it's gonna be $1 million job. So I'm gonna go downstream and see if I can see that marvelous little orifice of a culvert. Here you are downstream, folks. From that height of that embankment, there's the flood level. And where is the culvert? What, not culvert. Here's the little orifice there. Here's the concrete orifice. Yeah, it's about 1 meter diameter, alright? I guess that is 1 meter diameter. Oh, a lot of fish there. Fantastic. That must be river fish coming upstream. But anyway, that is the culvert, and sadly to say, maybe it's enough, but it's partly sunken, so maybe half of the diameter is covered with sediment. So when the pipe is too down, sunk into the ground, so the capacity is now reduced to half, and it becomes a flow in orifice, or rather flow in Luak Tonggiluang, or flow in Luak Toto lah. Okay, so take a note of that, guys. Next time you make a culvert, make it a box culvert of larger size, same size as that stream. You don't constrict the flow of flood. And there it goes there to Maju River, right up there.